putting the smackdown on bullying. It's Unity Day, and former WWE superstar Lacey Evans teamed up with the Bikers Against Bullies to talk to kids at Beaufort Elementary School about ways to spread kindness and body slam bullying.
I am formerly known as WWE superstar Lacey Evans.
I try to show them the damage that bullying causes, whether it's physical, cyber, or verbal, and in hopes that they can realize that they also have the option to cause goodness in people's hearts just as much as they can the negative and that pain. So not only do I show them that you could cause damage, but we also, as soon as we show them that, we show them the goodness that they can cause and the long-lasting effects that that has on each other as well.
The bikers talked a lot about being respectful and kind, and what to do if you or someone you know is being bullied.
I like who I am.
You can't judge people because it's not nice, because nobody is alike and everybody is different. Still, be their friend and be kind and respectful to them.
If somebody is getting bullied and picked on, I will walk up and go help them, tell a teacher or a grown-up.
Good morning, guys. You guys want a button?
Members of the Bluffton High School Student Council were greeting kids at Bluffton Elementary as they came to school. The high schoolers were holding signs and having some fun as they handed out Unity Day buttons and bracelets.
We think it's so important because of the fact of how much they look up to us, especially our athletes and such like that. They want to be like them, they want to be like us, and we may even have younger sisters, younger brothers in these schools, and we just want to spread positivity.
The younger kids were really excited to see the high school students and be taking a stand against bullying together.
It can really hurt other people's feelings, and you never know what they're going through, and it just might make their day a lot worse.
Here at Whale Branch Middle School, students are taking the pledge against bullying. During lunch, students are lining up and signing their names to help create a world without bullying.
I think it's important for all of us to be doing that together because it's like something that we should all do together and not everybody should be left out. It's something for everybody to join in together. It's literally unity. It's important to be kind because you want to treat people how you want to be treated. You want to be treated kind. And also, what if someone's really going through something? It's better to be kind to boost their energy and maybe give them some confidence and make them feel better.
Unity Day started in 2011 as part of National Bullying Prevention Month. Students are asked to wear orange to show support for kids who have been bullied. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.